As a homeowner in Layton, you understand the importance of maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature while keeping your utility bills in check. Whether it's the cold winters or the hot summers, energy costs can fluctuate, and your home's insulation plays a major role in how much you spend on heating and cooling. One often overlooked factor that can greatly impact your energy efficiency is your entry door. If your current door is old, worn out, or not properly insulated, it could be a source of energy loss and increased utility bills. A new, energy-efficient door is an easy and effective way to enhance your home's energy efficiency and lower your monthly utility costs. Here's how replacing your door can benefit your Layton home in the long run. Improved insulation with a new door. One of the main ways a new door improves your home's energy efficiency is through better insulation. Older doors, especially those made from wood or metal, often lack the insulating properties needed to maintain a stable indoor temperature. This can result in drafts or cold spots during the winter and warm, stuffy rooms during the summer. Modern energy-efficient doors are designed with high-performance insulation materials such as foam cores, polyurethane, or composite materials. These materials create a strong thermal barrier between the indoor and outdoor environments, preventing heat from escaping during winter and keeping cool air inside during summer. By preventing air leaks and temperature fluctuations, a new door will help maintain a consistent, comfortable indoor climate year-round, reducing the workload on your heating and cooling systems. Reduced drafts and air leaks. Drafts and air leaks are common issues with older doors. Over time, door seals and weather stripping can wear down, leaving gaps that let air in and out. This can lead to heat loss in the winter and cool air escape in the summer, forcing your HVAC system to work harder and use more energy to maintain a comfortable temperature. A new, energy-efficient door will have tighter seals and advanced weather stripping, ensuring that no air can enter or escape. This airtight seal prevents drafts from creeping in and keeps your home comfortable. The improved insulation and weatherproofing of a new door can greatly reduce the amount of energy you use to heat or cool your home, resulting in lower energy bills each month. Better energy efficiency with low-E glass and multi-pane windows. Many modern doors come with low-E glass and multi-pane windows, which provide additional insulation and contribute to better energy efficiency. Low-E glass is a special coating that reflects heat while still allowing natural light to enter your home. This helps keep the interior of your home cooler in the summer by blocking out solar heat, while also reducing heat loss during colder months. Similarly, multi-pane windows in doors provide extra layers of insulation that further reduce the transfer of heat. Double or triple glazed windows help keep the warm air inside during winter and the cool air inside during summer, providing significant energy savings. By choosing a new door with low-E glass and multi-pane windows, you can further increase your home's energy efficiency and lower utility bills. ENERGY STAR certified doors. When shopping for a new door, look for options that are ENERGY STAR certified. These doors meet strict energy efficiency guidelines set by the U.S. Department of Energy and can help you save both energy and money. Energy Star doors are tested for their ability to reduce air leakage, improve insulation, and keep your home's indoor temperature more stable. By installing an Energy Star certified door, you can rest assured that your door is not only energy efficient but also environmentally friendly. It's an easy way to make your home more sustainable while saving on your monthly utility costs. Less dependence on HVAC systems. Heating and cooling systems account for a large portion of a home's energy use. If your door is not providing adequate insulation, your HVAC system has to work harder to compensate for the loss of conditioned air. A new door helps reduce the strain on your HVAC system by keeping warm or cool air inside, leading to less frequent use of the heater or air conditioner. By improving your home's insulation, a new door allows your HVAC system to run more efficiently and for shorter periods, reducing overall energy consumption. This translates into lower utility bills and less wear and tear on your system, ultimately extending its lifespan. Long-term savings and increased home value. While replacing your entry door is an investment, the long-term savings are substantial. By reducing your energy usage, you'll enjoy lower heating and cooling costs every month. In fact, many homeowners see a return on investment, ROI, of up to 70% or more when upgrading to an energy-efficient door. In addition to saving money on energy bills, installing a high-quality, energy-efficient door can also increase your home's value. Potential buyers are often looking for homes with modern and energy-efficient features, making your home more appealing if you ever decide to sell. Not only will you benefit from the immediate savings on your utility bills, but you'll also be making a smart investment in your home's long-term value. Conclusion: upgrade your Layton home's efficiency with a new door. If you're looking to reduce energy costs, improve comfort, and boost the value of your home, replacing your entry door is a smart upgrade. A new energy-efficient door with better insulation, weatherproofing, and modern technologies like low-E glass can drastically reduce drafts and air leakage, keeping your home comfortable and reducing the workload on your HVAC system. Over time, this will result in lower utility bills, increased home value, and an overall more energy-efficient home. For Layton homeowners, installing a new, energy-efficient door is a wise investment that offers both immediate and long-term benefits. Don't wait. Upgrade your entry door today and start saving on your utility bills while improving the comfort and energy efficiency of your home.